The new TT X1 RGB Cherry MX keyboard from Thermaltake. Featuring TT X1 RGB sync compatibility for seamless color synchronization with all Thermaltake compatible power supply and liquid cooling solutions, helping you create the ultimate RGB ecosystem. Control and customize all RGB lighting effects with a single and easy to use X1 RGB software to bring your gaming station to life. Choose from a host of lighting effects such as static, spiral rainbow, wave, and unique 3-mode sound control to liven up your RGB experience. The X1 RGB software also features an innovative system temperature mode, which monitors your system cooling and changes color according to different temperature levels, as to ensure you always know when your system may be overheating. Users can also customize colors for individual keys, record essential macros for that all-important competitive advantage, remap keys, and set up profiles to suit different playing styles. The X1 RGB features a dedicated iOS app, which allows users to access different light functions on a smartphone and tablet device. The app also features an exclusive voice-controlled AI with simple and easy-to-use voice commands to control lighting effects, colors, speed, and brightness. Pulse. Static blue color. Wave. In addition to this, the app includes a patented design virtual game controller to use your smartphone and tablet device as a mobile gaming controller to play your favorite games over a wireless connection together with the X1 RGB keyboard and software, providing you with a truly unique console-type gaming experience. The Thermaltake TT X1 RGB, full spectrum RGB gaming with smart control. Learn more at thermaltake.com.